Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn your photo into a cute baby with animations using DreamFace. And yes, it's totally free to try. This one super fun. In here you will see your photo comes to life with adorable baby characters popping up all around. So let's jump right in. First, just open your DreamFace. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store on and then just install it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace will offer free weekly credits so you can generate animations without spending a cent. Next, once you're logged in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just go to Magic Effect, and then just scroll to or find the templates that called Baby Wave. This one, just tap on it. This filter will add a bunch of adorable baby or child-like characters and interacting with your photo, surrounding your photo. It's super cute, funny, and honestly kinda magical. Next, just tap on plus button to select your photo that you want to transform. And then after that, just tap on confirm. Make sure you pick the photo that has a bright and valid so the animation looks great. Next, after you're done selecting the photo, just tap on create. And okay, like this. There it is, your photo is now alive, surrounded by a cute baby character like this. It's super cute and honestly it's so funny. And okay, that's it, super easy, right? One photo with a few taps and you got your own baby wave animations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.